Hi everyone, welcome back to Rhythm of Maths and welcome to 10th Standard Maths class. Hope you understood the previous classes. That means about the arithmetic sequence. Now let's move on to the next question. Page number 18, question number 2. Here is your question. Look at these pictures. If the pattern is continued, do the numbers of colored squares form an arithmetic sequence? Give reason. So, here in this question, you can see three squares. In each squares, some portions are colored also. Question is, do the number of colored squares form an arithmetic sequence? In order to solve this, first of all we need a sequence which represent the given figure. So first let's write the sequence. For that, consider the first square. When you count the number of colored squares in this square, you can see there are 8 squares. Now, in the second largest square, the number of colored green squares are 12. And in the third square, it is 16 squares. So, if we write these numbers as a pattern, we will get a sequence like this: 8, 12, 16. So this is the sequence which represents the given figure. Now let's check whether this sequence is arithmetic or not. We know an arithmetic sequence means there must be a common difference. Let's see. So here 8, 12, 16. Here 12 minus 8 equal to 4 and 16 minus 12 is also 4. That means here the difference are same. So we can say that it is an arithmetic sequence with a common difference 4. Obviously the next term will be 20 because last is 16. So 16 plus 4 it is 20. The next question, that is page number 18, question number 3. Here is your question. So in this picture, you can see that there are 4 figures. Based on that, there are 3 sub-questions. Now let's do the first sub-question. Question is, how many small squares are there in each rectangle? So for that, let's consider the first figure. So in this figure, you can see that there are 2 small squares. And in the second figure, you can see there are 4 small squares. In the third one, there is 6 small squares, and in the last one there is 8 small squares. So if we write that as a pattern, we will get a sequence like this. It is 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's check the second sub question. Question is, how many large squares in that figure? Same like the first question, let's consider the first figure. In the first figure, there is no large squares, so answer is 0. Now, in the second figure, only one square is there. And in the third figure, there is 2 squares. One is like this and the next is also like this. So, answer is 2. Now, in the last figure, there are 3 squares. First one, second one and third one. So, when we write that as a pattern, we will get a sequence like 0, 1, 2, 3. So, this is the answer. Now, the third sub question, how many squares in all? How many squares in all means we have to add the first sub question answer and the second sub question answer. So first sub question represent the number of small figures and second sub question represent the number of large squares. So the third sub question sum of these two. So answer will be 2 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 2 and 8 plus 3. So answer is 2, 5, 8, 11. Now in last portion, there is one more question, that is continuing this pattern in each such sequence of numbers an arithmetic sequence. That means you have to check these 3 are arithmetic or not. That you can do. Only thing to do is just check first sub question answer, second sub question answer and third sub question are arithmetic or not and write the answer in your notebook. Our next question is from page number 18, question number 4. Question is, In the staircase shown here, the height of the first step is 10 centimeter and the height of each step after it is 17.5 centimeter. So here in this question, it is given that the starting height is 10 centimeter. We have to find how high from the ground would be someone climbing up after each step. That means we have to find this height. So here clue is given. The starting height is 10 centimeter. After each step it is increasing by 17.5 centimeter. So here when you count the number of steps between starting step and top, you can see there are 5 steps. That means in order to find the total height, you have to add height of each step to the previous height. Let's see. So here starting height equal to 10 centimeter. After climbing first step, height equal to 10 plus 17.5, that is equal to 27.5. Now after the second step, height will be 27.5 plus 17.5, that is equal to 45. Now after third step, height will be 62.5. Now after fourth step, height will be equal to 80. And after fifth step, height will be equal to 97.5. We have to add 17.5 to the previous one. So here 97.5 is the total height. Now the second sub question is sequence of height you have to write. So here is the answer. Sequence of height is 10, 27.5, 45, 62.5, 80, 97.5. And our next question is from page number 18, question number 6. Here is your question. The algebraic expression of a sequence is xn is equal to n cube minus 6n square plus 13n minus 7. Is it an arithmetic sequence? So here we have to check whether this is an arithmetic or not. But sequence is not given. So first of all we have to find the sequence. So let's start with n equal to 1. So first term x1 equal to 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 13 into 1 minus 7. So 1 cube is 1. So 1 minus 6 plus 13 minus 7. So final answer will be 14 minus 13 equal to 1. Now put n equal to 2. So second term x2 equal to 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 13 into 2 minus 7. Here 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So answer is 8. So 8 minus 6 into 4 plus 26 minus 7. Let's add positive terms first, then add negative terms. So here 8 and 26. So 8 plus 26, answer is 34. Then 34 minus 31. So answer is 3. So this is the second term. Now to find the third term, put n equal to 3. So x3 equal to 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square plus 13 into 3 minus 7. So here 3 cube is 27. So 27 minus 6 into 9 plus 39 minus 7. Here also we have to add positive terms first. So 27 and 39 are the positive terms. So answer is 66 minus 61. So answer equal to 5. So this is the third term. Now we have to find the fourth term. So for that put n equal to 4. So x4 equal to 4 cube minus 6 into 4 square plus 13 into 4 minus 7. That is equal to 4 cube. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. So answer is 64. 64 minus 6 into 16. That is 4 square 16. Plus 52 minus 7, that is equal to 64 minus 96 plus 52 minus 7. Here also we are taking positive terms first. So 64 plus 52, answer 116, that minus 103 equal to 30. That is the third term. Now let's write the sequence. So here sequence is 1, 3, 5, 13, etc. Now we have to check this is an arithmetic or not. For that, let's find the difference. So here 13 minus 5 equal to 8 and next 5 minus 3 equal to 2. We can see that there is no common difference. So no common difference means it is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay. Thank you.